Meaning of inordinate.
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 Inordinate. The word inordinate refers to something that is excessive, unreasonable, or beyond the normal or expected limits. When something or someone is described as inordinate, it suggests that there is a lack of balance or proportionality in their actions or behavior. For example, an inordinate amount of time spent on social media may be detrimental to one's productivity, while inordinate spending may lead to financial troubles. Overall, the use of inordinate highlights the idea of a lack of moderation or control, leading to negative consequences or outcomes.